You're on Linux, you've got the most powerful terminal ever built. So here's the uncomfortable question. Why does fixing 1502 still take 5 tools? Because I just use OpenSSH is a myth. You use OpenSSH plus SCP plus htop plus a notes file full of IPS plus a browser tab for the dashboard. 5 tools duct taped together. We tested 8 SSH clients for Linux to see which ones actually collapse that stack. A great SSH client on Linux isn't a better terminal. Your terminal is already great. It's how few tools you need around it. We judged all 8 on 6 things. Can you find a server in under 10 seconds, move a file without a second SCP tab, keep your keys on your machine, get a I. Help that shows commands before running them, deploy without 12 manual steps, and what it really costs your team. Here's how they stack up. Number 1, CtrlOps, a different approach entirely. Instead of a better terminal, it replaces the whole stack. Named server cards instead of grepping SSH config. A full GUI file manager, drag, drop, edit, no SCP. Live monitoring, CPU, RAM, and disk for every box, no htop. One-click deploy, pick a stack, paste a repo, and it handles Git, PM2, Nginx, and SSL. And the AI terminal that shows every command and waits for your approval before it runs. No agent to install on your servers, everything local, a ES256 encrypted. To be fair, no mobile app, no Kubernetes. But at $7 a month for unlimited servers, if you run more than one box, it replaces 4 tools. Number 2, OpenSSH, already on your machine, and the foundation everything else is built on. A config file for named hosts, rock-solid security, scriptable with tmux and proxy jump, 0 overhead. For 1 or 2 servers and a CLI-first workflow, nothing beats it. But the honest truth, at 5+ servers it becomes that 5-tool stack, SCP for files, htop for monitoring, a notes file for IPS, a browser for the dashboard. OpenSSH is perfect until the job grows past it. Number 3, Termius, the most polished pure SSH client and the only one here that's genuinely great on your phone. Named hosts, built-in SFTP, snippets synced across Linux, Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android. The trade-offs, your keys sync to Termius's cloud, encrypted, but on third-party infrastructure, some client contracts won't allow, and it's per seat. A team of 5 is $100 a month. Number 4, Tabby, the best open-source modern terminal on Linux. Tabs, split panes, a plugin ecosystem, built-in SFTP and Z modem, an encrypted local vault, MIT licensed, no account, no lock-in. It's everything a default terminal isn't. The catch, it's Electron, so it's heavier on RAM, and it's a terminal first, no AI, no monitoring, no deployment. Number 5, Warp, the most well-funded AI terminal, built in Rust with an agent mode that turns plain English into commands. The best local coding terminal on Linux. But pointed at a server, 2 problems. Its AI doesn't know your server's state, and agent mode auto-runs commands by default, no approval step. On production, 1 misread prompt is an outage. Number 6, Remmina, Linux's multi-protocol workhorse. SSH, RDP, VNC, and Spice in one tabbed app, pre-installed on Ubuntu, GTK Native, and Lite. If you manage mixed environments, a Windows box over RDP, a Linux box over SSH, it's unmatched on Linux. But SSH is its secondary act. A basic terminal, no file manager, no AI, no monitoring. 2 more quickly. PuTTY runs on Linux, but here it solves a problem that doesn't exist. OpenSSH is already installed and more capable. It's a nostalgia pick. And SecureCRT, the enterprise standard since 1995, FIPS 140-2 validated Python scripting, around $116 a license. If you need FIPS, it's the answer. If you don't, you're paying for certifications you'll never use. Here's why the approval step matters, a real one. A client server we manage pinned at 100% CPU. The node app crawling. Nothing in the logs. Instead of 5 terminal tabs and a browser, we ask the AI terminal in plain English. CPU's maxed, but there's no load, what's eating it? It proposed read-only checks first, top processes, what's running, recent cron jobs, we approved, they ran. Culprit, an unfamiliar binary in the temp folder eating 98% CPU. A crypto miner. We asked how it persisted, more read-only checks approved, and found a cron job re-downloading it every few minutes, which is exactly why a naive just kill it would never have stuck. Only then did anything destructive run. Stop the process, remove the binary, strip the cron, each command shown before it ran, approved 1 at a time. Under 10 minutes. On a box none of us had touched in weeks. With an auto-run tool, that cleanup fires before you've even finished reading it. Same deployment 2 ways. OpenSSH, SCP, and a browser. Check notes for the IP SSH in git pull something breaks, Google it, open a second tab to SCP a config and pm install, restart, check the dashboard. 19 to 35 minutes, 3 tools, 4 context switches. In CtrlOps, click the server card, drag the config into the file manager, tell the AI terminal to pull, rebuild, and restart PM2. Approve, glance at the dashboard. 4 to 5 minutes, 1 app. Cross 11 capabilities, directory, file manager, monitoring, approval gated AI. Deployment, CtrlOps is the only Linux client that does them all locally. The free tools cover the terminal and nothing more. And the pricing gap compounds. For 5 people, Warp is $250 a month, Termius $100. CtrlOps is 35 flat, unlimited servers, with the monitoring, files, and deploys the others don't do. Honest pick for you. CLI-first, 1 or 2 servers. OpenSSH, done. Same setup on every device including your phone, Termius. Open source, no lock-in, Tabby. AI, first local coding, Warp. Mixed protocols, RDP plus VNC plus SSH, Remmina. FIPS compliance, SecureCRT. And managing 5+ servers, deploying, transferring files, debugging production, that's exactly what CtrlOps was built for. Don't take my word for it. Here's what Linux users who switched are saying. CtrlOps, $7 a month, unlimited servers, no agent to install, 1 month free, no card, link in the description with the full written comparison. Pick the tool that kills your biggest friction today. The best SSH client is the one you use without fighting it.